Addressing participants at the workshop, the minister, who was represented by the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Communications and Digital Economy, Mr. Musa Estefano, noted that digital economy has become a powerful force for social economic development in which women need to key into to maximize their potential. The minister said the relevance of women in the economic plans of President Muhammadu Buhari's administration cannot be overemphasized, and the ministry is doing everything possible to address every challenge facing women access to ICT.
When women are economically empowered, they invest back into their families and communities, producing a multiplier effect that spurs growth and stability. To boost development in the ICT industry, there is need to expand the demand base. Although women constitute about 50% of the Nigerian population, a considerable number is yet to key into the ICT economy.
Participants at the workshop are of the opinion that it will empower women by providing them access to digital technology where they can showcase their products.
They can connect to people outside the world, outside their rural areas, who can now come and take it. You know, they can't come out, but we can go and meet them. And this is just a good area that can connect them.
I believe we're going to see tremendous progress for women. We're seeing schoolgirls much interested in training such as artificial intelligence, augmented reality, things along the technology line. That is a big plus.
We definitely transform positively the lives of women, not just women who are enlightened, not just women who are already in the digital economy, but also women at the grassroots.
The forum is expected to be an additional advantage to women generally, especially in the area of exposure and financial empowerment. In Lagos, Bolaji Akim, NTA News.